Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin and Ethereum daily update. Are we going to have more correction in the crypto market? Where are we going? And of course, before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Link in the description box and in the comment section. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins with buying and selling opportunities through an automated system. You will also get a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, pine script for trading view, random giveaways, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's proceed quickly into the TA. And right now, what do we have right here for Bitcoin is that we lost a little bit, just for a little bit, the SHIB pitchfork. I will show you how to draw it. Okay, it is a very important tool and do not ignore it. Okay, so we are going to just click here from TradingView, the SHIB pitchfork. We should be in the logarithmic scale and we are going to draw the SHIB pitchfork from this bottom. I will have the magnet enabled so we can find automatically the lows and the highs. Okay, so we can go to this bottom right here up to this top on 10 November and to this bottom back on 4 December. And you can see that this line right here is the most important line, the blue line. Okay, this blue line right there. I can paint it with a yellow one. So there we go. We can have a trend line into this line right here. And we can close the SHIB pitchfork because we do not need it for something else. Okay, so we are having exactly this line. All right, so I am going to close this one. And you can see that we just closed a little bit above this bottom trend line, a little bit below actually this bottom trend line. What does this mean? It means that we might get to 44K, although this was not a significant closing below condition. Okay, so we cannot say that exactly that we lost this line. However, if we have a more bearish situation right here, then we are going for sure, for me, into the 44K area. Okay, which can be around here as well. So yes, for me, it could be the case that we are going into near this area right here. The 44K, I can put a price label on so you can see for Bitcoin that is. So we need to maintain this line and now we need to find huge buying pressure. If we do not and flirt downwards down from this line or have a sell pressure, then we are going down to the 44K. All right, so we are going to lose probably another 6% around there. For Bitcoin, will this be a shakeout for the market? Yes. Okay. However, not for all the altcoins. Okay, not for all the altcoins right there that they exist, of course. But for many altcoins, yes, they will go down along with Bitcoin, especially if we go down to the 44K area mark. But please have in your mind this bottom trend line for Bitcoin. This is the most important bottom trend line out of everything. Okay. So if we lose that, and especially we lose that totally, then we are going down. For the time being, we hold above. Okay, we are good. All right. We cannot say that we have a very high risk. And if we just go down, we will stop, for me, to the 44K area. And then we will see at the 43K as well. All right. But we have to be a little bit careful for now. For Bitcoin, as for Ethereum, you can see that right now, I think that Ethereum might even go to the 3.5K. We will see about that. It doesn't look so good because due to the fact that Ethereum against Bitcoin is correcting, okay, you can see that this was my personal opinion back then when I did the videos of market updates. I was telling you that Ethereum against Bitcoin chart has a very high risk. And why it has a very high risk? It has a very high risk because on the weekly frame, if we go there, you will see that if we zoom out a little bit, okay, and let's remove all the drawings. You can see that we have two highs right here. All right, two highs. And then we get back to the bearish RSI divergence. All right. So therefore, I think that we have higher highs and lower highs in the RSI. Therefore, a bearish RSI divergence on the weekly frame is very possible. And that's why I was worried about. On the other hand, though, if we zoom out a little bit, you will realize we are not bearish. We are not even bearish, okay? But at the end of the day, we have to be careful on the short term a little bit, especially if Bitcoin goes down, it will drag down Ethereum more and it can drop to 3.5K, all right? So therefore, it can maybe cover this week. Although although most of the altcoins and the crypto actually market tend to fill the gaps here, the wicks, the lower side of the candlestick, but not whole. Okay, they turn out to just have a buying pressure at around here, for example. Okay. So I guess that 3.5k to 3.6k should be a good price entry for Ethereum, all right, in USDT. And of course, Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, we have to see how it will react to this bearish RSI divergence. We have to take everything into consideration. Let's see a little bit the risk metrics for Bitcoin, all right, because risk metrics are very, very important for Bitcoin, and I think that we should be seeing. So right now, we are having the MACD with a higher low pattern right here, although we have the same low. Okay, this was good for me. This seems like it is a good scenario to have when you have a higher low pattern, but at the same time you have the same low. Okay, I like this scenario right there. I also like the commodity channel index. The RSI is neutral. All right, we had a little bit of a buying pressure, but anyway, we did not have like a bearish RSI, a bullish RSI divergence yet. All right, we did not have something like that. So I would say that if we go to 44k, it is very possible for us to meet a condition of a bullish RSI divergence. Let's say that RSI drops here, for example. Okay, we will have probably a bullish RSI divergence on the daily for Bitcoin, and therefore we might be going up further more. So the stochastic RSI is going down, not in an oversold yet, below the 20, and you can see that we have some nice action there for in the risk metrics, although we do not have an extreme oversold situation. What is an extreme oversold? It means that every risk metric, the RSI, commodity channel index, stochastic RSI, the Fisher transform, and so on, are in an oversold. For example, you can see that the Fisher transform is not in an oversold yet. It is in a neutral position almost at the zero. Okay, this yellow line right here, it is going down, but it is not in an oversold yet. So yes, we might be correcting more. We want to see two things. Okay, we want to see if we close below this line right here, this bottom trend line, the most important bottom trend line in this market right now. Okay, it is very, very good. You can see that we pumped up many times from here, from there, from here as well, and we want to see if we can maintain that. If we do not, then we should see other support levels, and the next one would be the 44k. But if we can maintain that and go even higher, then there is a possibility that we can also surpass the 52k, and the next price target will be the 54k. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/MindYourCrypto is the link you will find in the comment section and in the description box. Thank you. See you soon with many, many more videos. Bye.